Okay, so we have the Hock support here. We'd probably use this one after dogs have potentially are recovering from things like Achilles tendon injuries, so the gastrocnemius tendon, where that's maybe had some damage or strain to it. Or if the dog is potentially older and sort of starting to get a bit of weakness through the hock joint, at that stage we might consider trying to use this when they're going out for a walk, just to give them a bit of extra comfort and support and stability whilst they're moving. So it's not something that's going to completely stabilise the joint and prevent sort of any kind of movement within it in the sense of if we were using a splint, but it is just sort of the step down from that where there's some support there to help them and provide comfort. This again, it's a nice simple one to fit. We've just got the 4 Velcro straps, so the smaller part of these 2 parts is going to go at the lower bit of the limb. Good girl, Maggie. Good girl. So we're wanting to have this sort of part across here where there's a bit between the 2 round the back of this hock joint, which is here. And just initially just sort of loosely close this top one just to get them in place. We want to make sure these bottom 2 are sat below the joint so that the leg can still move. Good girl. And the top ones again are not going to be restricting movement. So we just want to have again tight enough that it's not going to slip and fall off, but not so tight that there's going to be any kind of blood sort of flow restriction. So you can get your finger underneath and you're still going to have enough room there for the blood and things to move without any kind of